In this video, this 2016 JK is getting some beefy steering from Steer Smarts and a really sweet disconnectable sway bar from Offroad Only. Check it out. So today we're gonna walk you through this 2016 JK, and we've got some really cool upgrades that this customer is gonna love. So first we'll start out with the sway bar. Right here's the old one. This is a non-disconnectable sway bar. And the reason the customer is getting rid of this factory sway bar is to get a lot more wheel articulation when she's off-road. So there's a lot of ways to do that. The new JK Rubicons come with a push button disconnect. This is not a Rubicon model, so to get her a sway bar that's easy to disconnect, we opted for this sway bar from Offroad Only. It might make more sense to actually show this once we get it installed, but it has a really easy disconnect feature that you just flip this lever and it makes it a really kind of a dual rate sway bar. So we're gonna show that once it's assembled. One thing that we ran into, just as everything's apart, is this vacuum canister relocation. This thing bolts underneath the sway bar, so we might have to flip this thing around or come up with a creative way to mount this under the hood so there's enough room. Let's go check out the steering, because that's sweet too. As you can see, this is her factory steering. This is the drag link, so this is what connects the steering box to the knuckle. This is the tie rod. This connects the left side knuckle to the right side knuckle. As you can tell, this one already is bent. Not supposed to look like that. So we've got these awesome heavy duty parts from Steer Smarts. These guys are awesome, great products, super strong. These are 1.5 ton rated pieces. The tie rod ends are huge, the tube is huge, and it uses all tie rod ends, which really survives the road use extremely well. Beefy parts, just laying it next to the factory one. I mean, look at the difference. It's huge. So we'll get you some more video after we get these things all together. Let you know what we think. But in my opinion, this is the best steering system on the market for the JK. You've seen us install these parts. It's off the alignment rack. The alignment turned out sweet. Check it out. So this is the sway lock from Offroad Only. What it does is it allows you to have 2 different sway bar settings. So there and there. Pretty slick setup. It engages an inner sway bar. So if you want to go off-road and have more articulation, you just flip the lever and you can engage that and disengage. So that's pretty cool. The Steer Smart steering is now installed. Turned out really nice. I love their products. It really makes alignment nice and it holds up extremely well on the trail. So thanks for watching this video. Let us know the first time you ever smashed your steering off-road in the comment section below. Give us 2 thumbs up if you like this. Remember to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.